Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I just got some new Arteza metallic paints and I thought we would do a fun painting with these. So we're using bronze, pearl royal purple, pearl hot pink, pearl white. They're all metallics. And then I mixed these two together, pearl cactus green and pearl sea green, just to make a cool green. And I took a vote on the internet of which technique you guys wanted to see with these colors, and it was kind of 50-50 between tree ring and flip cup. So Mr. MMG is going to help me with this. He loves the name, by the way, guys. So let's get set up real quick. Okay, so we're each going to use a 10 by 10 canvas. I've got our Lowly Veffy silicone bowls here with the silicone mat underneath too. If anyone's interested, I'll put the link in the description for all these products, of course. Check them out in the description. And he's going to do the flip cup and I'm going to do the tree ring. So we're going to get started. Go ahead.
Okay.
Any colors you want? You should pretty much fill up the bowl. Not like super to the top, but most of the way.
I'm excited about this green. I got that, by the way.
Okay. Yeah. I don't use green very often, so I thought, why not? And this, there's no black, in case you guys didn't notice, and no blue.
Yeah, right?
I've been getting some complaints recently on my color selection. I do pay attention, however, realize that whether you think I use too much or too little of something is an opinion, not a fact. Just throwing that out there. But anyways, no black and no blue today. It's going to be very bright and colorful. And I'm using pink, which I also don't normally use because, well, I don't really like pink. I'm just going to throw that out there too. Does that make me a bad person? Just...
Depends on who you ask.
It's my prerogative.
You can do what you want to do.
Yep. Okay. I think...
Almost there.
I might have enough paint in my bowl. Alright, I think I'm good. Yeah, you're definitely good.
I want to do one tiny little touch.
Okay. I'm going to do a tiny smidge of bronze. Okay.
A little purple cherry on top.
Alright. So why don't you go ahead and flip yours, and then while it's settling, I'll do mine, and then we can pull yours off. I have never done a flip cup yet with these silicone bowls, so good luck. You got this. Oh, look at you. He's got it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Not bad, not bad.
We'll let that sit and settle for a second, and I'll do my tree ring. Let's do this kind of fast. Oh, yeah. We definitely have way more than enough paint here, so we're good. Well, no, actually about the perfect amount. So metallic paints in general can tend to cause more cells to pop up. I haven't particularly used these metallic paints very much though, so we'll see what happens. But either way, we don't really have any dark colors in here, so we know this is going to be pretty light.
Oh, yeah, there's the cells.
A little bit. Definitely too much bronze over here for my liking, but
chocolatey.
Well, you're running some of that off in a second.
I like this up here though, with the way the bronze is kind of.
Yeah. All right,
wow,
there we
look
go.
At that.
Okay, I'm gonna move mine kind of over here.
What are you trying to say?
I don't have to say it. Okay, you can go ahead. Ooh. Here, I'll take your bowl.
Oh, thanks. I'm liking that already.
So,
really dig that green.
Getting like a, what is it, sherbet? Rainbow sherbet?
Kind of, sort of. I don't remember purple ever being in a sherbet bowl.
Oh, really?
No.
Oh.
I don't think that's a thing.
What about that bubble gum or whatever?
That's blue and pink.
Dang it. I'm just striking out. Do any of them look like this?
No.
No?
In fact, I've never seen purple ice cream in my life.
Oh.
Thank God for that.
Well, alright, fine.
I like how we got this little like overexposed area in this corner here. Yeah. Alright, I think I'm good.
You like it?
I do, actually. What do you think?
It's interesting.
It is. It's got like a little frog thingy in the middle there.
Yeah, that's from those extra drips at the end
No,
of
I
the
know,
bowl.
but it kind of worked out. They're like it looks like a praying mantis head, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Dope! With a Elon Musk space rocket launching out of the top of it.
Okay,
Cool.
he's got a little bit of an imagination, you guys.
What?
So let's go ahead and we're going to let these sit here for a little bit and see anything else that may develop. I have some little kind of like light cells in here, but not a lot. And you look like you might have some stuff here.
Yeah.
So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So not much developed in terms of cells. I mean, lots more experiments coming with these paints, definitely. Next one I'm going to do is a Rekka ring pour, because I think that will be awesome. And then I'll, of course, do some videos where I'm mixing these with other paints, and we're not only using metallic paints. So let's go ahead and do our quick close-up. So here's Johnny's. We have the lower right-hand corner up to the upper right-hand corner. And over here, lots of purple. Here's his praying mantis thing. And lower left-hand corner. Over to mine. So lower right-hand corner. Coming up, upper right-hand corner. Left. And the center. There we go. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I definitely recommend these paints. They're awesome. I love pretty much all the Arteza products. And I will see you all next time. Wanna say bye?
Bye.
Bye.